one pan white bean chicken chili. Heat up a pan, add olive oil, and then a large chopped onion. Once that onion is cooked, add in 6 cloves of minced garlic, and then we're going to add our corn. This is a family-sized can, or home canners use about 1 quart. White beans have been soaked overnight and then cooked for 30 minutes this morning and drained. If you're using store-bought, go with 3 cans. Cream of chicken soup. I'm making mine for my dry mix. I'll link below. If you're using store-bought cans, that's going to be 2 cans. Then we're going to add in our chicken. I like to cook mine in advance and it's been chopped. It's about 3 breasts here. If you want to use raw chicken, just know you need to cook the entire dish until the chicken is done. I'm going to add in here 2 cups of salsa, mix that in, and then I'm going to season as needed. I'm using just some black pepper and some chili powder. Once this is mixed in, we're going to cover it. We're going to bring it up to a low boil. Stir it, reduce the heat to a simmer, and then cook until the sauce thickens. Simple, hearty, and full of flavor. Serve this over some rice. Add sour cream or cheddar cheese.